Hazur Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on the last 4 verses of Surah Al Maoon, which is chapter number 107 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Fawailul lil musallin allazina hum an salatihim sahun allazina hum yurauna wa yamnaun al maun. The translation is, so woe to those who pray but are unmindful of their prayer. They like to be seen of men. I think I read it. Yes. Those who show off and they deprive people of even small benefits.
Also, my question is, what is the relation between depriving people from small benefits and the prayer mentioned in this verse?
Yes, there is a deep link between the two things, that those who want to show off in the prayer, they have a nature that if they do give alms, that will be in a grand way where the whole world knows, all the people around. But they are so stingy, in fact, because when people come for small things, give us a sear of flour or something, they don't give, because that is not seen by the world. So the tendency to show off is not fulfilled. I mean, the desire to show off is not fulfilled in case of lending small things to the next door neighbors, for instance. So I think it has a deep relationship.